Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forcing quick, revealing checks. Update Chrome, then open an incognito window and click the link. This isolates extensions. If the link opens, disable extensions one by one to find the culprit. Once done, restart Chrome and, if needed, reboot the PC to clear transient issues. Make sure you test the same link after each step so you know which action fixed it, and proceed only when you've identified whether it's extension, cache, or system-related. Next, clear the browser cache and cookies for the domain. This removes corrupted resource references that block navigation. Then reset site permissions and protocol handlers so the link scheme can reopen properly. Incorrect handlers often stop links. Create a fresh Chrome profile and try the link there. This detects profile corruption. While doing this, make sure to close extra tabs and disable hardware acceleration if rendering is odd. These steps isolate whether the problem is profile, permission, or cache data related. To finish, reinstall or repair Chrome to replace damaged program files, then set Chrome as the default browser again and retest the link. This resolves broken protocol associations. Also check your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes they block browser launch or specific URLs. If reinstalling doesn't help, try the link in another browser to confirm whether it's a Chrome-only issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if a new profile fixes it, migrate bookmarks and extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.